Ensure the SWMS setting is enabled. Then navigate to the SWMS tab. Add one or more SWMS entries. Save your changes. Manage tasks and risks by adding a task and editing the relevant fields. Enter the desired data. Note that some fields are optional. Set the initial risk rating, then configure the residual risk rating. Add one or more additional tasks and risks as needed. Save and close the entry. For additional entries, add the required tasks. Save and close the entry. This completes the SWMS addition process.